they have the control board. Whoa. What's happening?
Are you scared?
No, of course not.
There's nothing to be scared.
Actually, I've been before, actually.
It's not scary at all.
Yeah, it's not scary. Actually, earlier it used to be quite slow, actually. That used to give a kind of a feeling.
These are the brakes. What are these?
On the sides.
In the center.
Yeah, actually, this is for the
This
gravity.
is the cable, no?
Yeah, this is cable.
I think electric cable.
No, actually, it's some kind of pulley, actually. It's running, actually.
Yeah. I think the train is moving on this.
Yeah, they'll be crossing it. Earlier, actually, they used to stop in the bridge, actually, wait for the other train to cross.
You're getting down there?
Stesen Tengah, kereta api berhenti untuk penduduk dan pekerja sahaja. Jauhkan tangan anda dari pintu. Sila jangan keluar dari kereta api.
This train is about to stop at the middle station for residents and workers to disembark. Please stand away from the doors and do not leave the train.
Stesen Tengah, kereta api berhenti untuk penduduk dan pekerja sahaja. Jauhkan tangan anda dari pintu. Sila jangan keluar dari kereta api.
This train is about to stop at the middle station for residents and workers to disembark. Please stand away from the doors and do not leave
Actually,
the
while
train.
going upright, it should be on that
Stesen
side.
Tengah, kereta api berhenti untuk penduduk dan pekerja sahaja. Jauhkan tangan anda dari pintu. Sila jangan keluar dari kereta api.
back, I think. Let's have to be outside.
Nothing.
So that iron hook is no longer here. It was there on the top.
It's laying down and coming down. Loosely unfolding.
इसका हमको फोटो ना व्हाट्सएप कर देना अभी बात करें हाँ
Bye.
there is some problem in your mobile.
Kita akan sampai di stesen bawah. Jauhkan tangan anda dari pintu. Pintu akan dibuka sebentar lagi. Sila pastikan anda tidak meninggalkan apa-apa barang di dalam kereta api. Diharapkan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan bergembira dan berpuas hati dengan perjalanan ini. Terima kasih.
The train is about to reach the bottom station. Please keep your hands away from the door and please do not leave anything behind. We hope you have enjoyed the ride. Thank you.